What is workers' compensation? Workers' compensation is a no-fault disability program that's created by the legislature. The people who we vote in, who are our House reps or our state senators, they manipulate and move the workers' comp law by amending the act. The act was created. It's not like common law where it comes down from centuries ago. Legislators came and developed the law. But what we have, though, as the workers' comp law is, and the most important thing is, it's a no-fault disability system, which means you can make a workers' comp claim even if you are a complete klutz, even if you are responsible for how you got hurt at work. You know, if you wore shoes that were 4 sizes too big and then tripped going down the steps because you had these big shoes on, they can't come to you and say, that injury was your fault, we're not paying you workers' comp. It's a no-fault disability system. So any manager, any supervisor, anyone comes to you and says, this injury was your fault or was your member's fault, that's absolutely incorrect. The comp system is a no-fault disability statute. So it doesn't matter who's at fault. If it happened at work or during the course and scope of your employment, which we'll talk more about later, it's coverable. The worker had to give up something to get that. What you gave up years and years ago was that you can't sue your employer in a workers' comp setting for damages, for pain and suffering, or what we call consequential damages. You can't sue for anything in a third-party type lawsuit, or like when you have a car accident, you can sue and you have all kinds of damages. In workers' comp, you only get 2 things out of workers' comp: wage loss for the time that you're out due to the injury, and medical coverage for the actual injured body part. Like if you injure your shoulder, they got to pay for your health care, your medical needs for your shoulder, but they don't have to pay your health insurance for your family through the Workers' Comp Act. They don't have to pay that through the Workers' Comp Act. So Workers' Comp only provides 2 things. Only provides 2 things: wage loss while you're out for the work injury, and medical care for the work injury. Doesn't protect your job, doesn't provide health insurance for your family, doesn't guarantee whatever pension contribution that an employer's making that they have to make, or a 401k contribution. None of those things are provided by the Workers' Comp law, just 2 things.